Oh, ngahlala phansi bekunene. Ngidawucela ukukhumula imask bekumene mangikhuluma bese ufoma letibuko kodwa ke masinyane nje ngicetha ukukhuluma ngiyibuyisela bekunene. Hayi ukuthi ngipromote kungagcokwa kwema-mask. Liphini la Ndvunankhulu indvuna tembuso letikhona labaphethe kahulumende CO ka NDMA kanye neteam lohamba nayo sibonge kakhulu nalabo balakhaya House on Fire imedia nani nonke bekunene siyandivusela ekuseni. Ngicela nje kucala ngixoxa indzaba lapha le hambisana nalo lesihlangane ngako namhla lapha. Indvuna yetempilo nemhlonishwa DPM sebavetile lesihloko ukuthi sihlangene ngani la ukuthi live la kaNgwane selithatha selifika esigabeni la khona sekufuna sisale si-engage lelinye ligiya sale sishintsha lokutside. Kunendvodza lapha lebe ine problem inekunatsa tshwala beke i-alcoholic ngalamafishi. Nganye langa ke yasithatha sinqumo ukuthi namuhla ngifuna kuyiyekela le habit yekunatsa tshwala. Fika ke ekhaya kunendzawo la bekabeka khona ugqwele isela yakhe lapha bekabugcina khona. Afike ke akhanze ke kunemabhodlela laphasi athathe lekuqala ibhodlela alibuke khanze sithi empty alilahle phasi athi you are responsible wena namuhla umndeni wami uhlukubetekile ngenxa yakho lahla phasi libhodlela. Phinza athathe lelinye alibuke nalo empty athi wena uresponsible ngilahlekelwe nangumsebenzi ngenxa yakho lahla phasi libhodlela liphihle. Thathe lelinye nalo empty alibuke athi wena uresponsible wena i-health yami angisaphili kahle sengihlala ngigula nje konke malanga ngenxa yakho lahla phasi libhodlela. Athathe lelinye evungathi liyesinza ligcwele alibuke acabange alibuke athi wena you are not responsible. So bekunene kuyinjabulo lenkulu kithi ukuthi namhla sibe la sihamba nemhlonishwa DPM netindvuna nema officials bekunene ngithi nje ngingangeni kule nkulumo yami lengilungisile ngesilungu angicale nje ngekuphawula bekunene ukuthi live la kaNgwane noma kangithi uhulumende wembuko uthi tena kangene ehhovisi wakhanza simo njengoba sonke sathi bekunene semnotho singasiso lesikahle wase ke wakha luhlelo lesilibite ngokuthi strategic road map lolwethula eminyakeni lophelile. Njengalamanye amave ke lakhona emhlabeni live la kaNgwane uhulumende bekane plan yokuthi nga-2020 utabe endani kakhulu i-mandate lebesinayo sithunywe yona si-cabinet singulumende kufula lomnotho le simo sawo besingasasiso lesikahle. Wahamba ke nasifika ke ku-2020 sadibana ke nale challenge ya COVID-19 dashintsha tonke tintfo bekunene njengoba nje sathi namhla sesifaka ifonyo sesenda tinto lesingathi besingatendi phambilini bekunene. So ubongile umhlonishwa DPM emabandla lehlukahlukene lebekenda lo msebenzi nami ngithi bekunene angivumelane naye. Ngibonge yena kakhulu DPM bekunene ngoba uthi tena uqala lo msebenzi imbube emhlaba yamemetela simo lesiphuthumako eveni. Kwase ke sekudingeka ukuthi kwakhiwe emabandla libandla lebeliholwa nguye umhlonishwa DPM lelinema teams lamaningi. Kuhambe kahle bekunene lokhu and ngithi angibonge kakhulu DPM neteam yakhe nelitiko lakhe basebenza neteam yaka NDMA bekunene siphinde sibonge na Minister Health njengoba nje sashito DPM ukuthi baka health bende lomkhulu umsebenzi ngalokuthi lengcinama besibhekene nayo bekuyingcinamba yetempilo bekunene. It was a health problem, it is a health challenge lesibhekene nayo. Sibonile ke ukuthi uma uqala lo mkhuhlane bekunene litiko nawo onke nje amabandla lasebenzile. Nami ngithi angitibongele ngoba bekunene kwende umsebenzi wabalula. Namuhla mawukhuluma nebantu labaningi bathi livela kangwani li-rater amongst the best in Africa. Khona nje report bengiyifunza ikhuluma ngema decrease kuma infections bathi livela kangwani is in the top 5 kuma decreases. Angathi ke noma mhlambe ku temporary but lama statistics nalama targets minister lakhuluma ngawo bekunene vele amqokwa. Nathi siwathatha ku head of state bekunene siwathatha kumholi welive uyasho lokuthi isifiso sakhe ukuthi uphele lo mkhuhlane wa COVID-19 sive semaswati sitobuyela esimeni sichubeke sisebente sibuyele empilweni. So lokuthi nje sithi khandle kangaka sisebende kangaka bekunene vele sifise kufika kuleso sigaba leso ukuthi kuthiwe lo mkhuhlane so lamva kwe bekunene sesichubeka nempilo sesiya embili. Angiphindze ke bekunene ngibonge la ngibonge kakhulu uNkulunkulu bekunene siyathi ukuthi emaswati bekathandaza kakhulu. Sisive thina lesimesaba kuNkulunkulu lesimethembako impendulo tethu tonke tiqhamuka kuye. Naloko ukuthi nje sikhonile kulwa nalolu mkhuhlane lomkhulu kangaka losihlukubetekile sagcina sesihlala etindlini bekunene kulukhuni ngithi ngishayela babo wami njenganyelanga ukuthi hey ntwanami sesaguja landlini sesaba yifenisha landlini. Ngilesimo lebesibhekene naso bekunene kodwa ke siyakholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu usisitile futhi usaqhubeka utasita bekunene. Siyawabonga emaswati siyabonga abafundisi netinhlelo nje letahlukene lebetivele ikhombisa kona ukuthi sive semaswati lithemba lisibeke kuNkulunkulu. Namuhla ke bekunene sitowethula lapha luhlelo lolusha loseluthi sekumele nyalo sisale sibumbana siba munye simaswati. Kwesibili sisale sishintsha nanendlela lesiphila ngayo sisale sikwemukela lokuthi COVID-19 so ushintshile tinto letiningi angeke tinto tisafana nayito bekunene naku lele sigcizelela evikini leliphelile sethule ihlelo esiveni ngenzaba yetshwala ukuthi sekubheke ukuthi lo tshwala buvula kunathwa kwetshwala sesibheke ukuthi bunathike kanjani abantu batiphathe njani ngenzaba yetshwala ngoba siyathi bekunene ukuthi itshwala nasu kunathile uyashintsha simo sakho ingcondo lo cabanga ngayo nendlela nje lo wenda ngayo tinto kukwenda ukuthi kube lula ukuthi yonke lemigomo lebekiwe tiko letempilo namhla kuhlangene kube likhuni ukuthi uyilandzele. Kungako ke sethule lo hlelo ukuthi asale sikwemukela simaswati ukuthi vele impilo ayisafani nayitolo. Sekumele ukuthi sende tinto ngalokwehlukile bekunene. Ngiwo ke kakhulu lesitokwethula namuhla ukuthi kucala ngawe wena uwedwa nje lokuthi ukwemukele lo bese ke sowusita ke nalaba seceleni kwakho ukuthi basale bakwemukela lokho. Kungako ke sithi ngamunye ngalinye eliswati alititshele ukuthi selitawuphila kulesimo lesibhekene naso, selitawuphila ngalokwehlukile. Lilandzele yonke lemigomo, lihloniphe yonke lemigomo lebekiwe bekunene. Kona kutaba likhuni njengoba ngishito nje sekumele sifake ema-mask ngaso sonke isikhathi. Kumele sikhweshelane ngaso sonke isikhathi ngoba lo mkhuhlane bekunene lesibhekene nawo uyingoti kakhulu. Uyingoti kakhulu. Kungako ke kumcoka lokho ukuthi silandzele lemiyalo lesinikwe yona bekunene ngilo litiko letempilo nahulumende lakhuluma ngawo. Lokunye ke lokumcoka lesitoku thula namuhla esiveni ukuthi yathi ukuthi naku iBhayibheli lithi unake makhelwane wakho, your brother's keeper, your people's keeper. Wathi ukuthi mkhulu wakho lona 90 years nangaba sekhona, malume wakho, gogo wakho, umnakenu, bonke labantu laba bayi responsibility yakho. Na ubabona ukuthi abalandzeli lemigomo ubakhude, ubahlalise phasi ngoba ufuna ukuthi bavikeleke nawe futhi uvikeleke kulomkhuhlane. Nayo nje umlayeto lesitowethula esiveni namuhla bekunene ekuthenini vele lo mkhuhlane lo hlelo lesethulako lutasisita bekunene. Maswati onke akakwemukele. Lesikubonako kwenteka kulamanye amave eEurope. I think kuyitolo noma kukuthana. Umongameli waseFrance umemetele ukuthi sebaqalela phasi ba-introducer i-lockdown. Engilandi nakhona kulu-introduce i-lockdown nakubo Italy. Ngoba letinombolo setikhulile, so lo mkhuhlane lesibhekene nawo bekunene awukapheli. Kungoti bawo-ke ngilokuthi kusene kwenteka uphinze futhi uvuke kabusha. Na uvuka kabusha bathi-ke kuvamise kuba ingoti kakhulu. Kutawulimala abantu abaningi, so asingabi careless sibe sitsebesele bekunene lo mkhuhlane ungazuthi sowengcile. Asifunze kunaba labasembili kwethu bekunene lamave lamanye ikakhulu eEurope naseAmerica la sibona khona tinombolo tisetulu kakhulu. Sithi-ke namuhla lo uhulumende wembube wethula nje lolo hlelo lolo bekunene lokho ukuthi asemukele lempilo lesha. Ligama lawo ke lo hlelo lesethulako bekunene silubita ngokuthi ngumgqini. Ngumgqini ufuna utiqine wena, ugcine nalaba seceleni kwakho, ugcine necommunity yakho. Ngumgqini nje ukuthi sifuna ukuthi uqhubeke uphile. Kungabi lula nje ukuthi ungenwe ngilomkhuhlane. Sethula ke lolo hlelo lolo luhambisana nato tonke letinye tinhlelo tahulumende lesithulile. Lelunye nje ihlelo lolumqoka lolwethuliwe ngilo lwekufukula umnotho bekunene leselibita ngokuthi economic recovery plan. So diningi tinhlelo letethuliwe esiveni bekunene. Sithi ke asibonge kakhulu ukuthi emaswati asavele atakwenda lokhu bekunene sitokwethula namuhla la. Kunalokunye ke lengithi angikuphawule la bekunene. Livela kangwane hulumende empeleni wenda lokukhulu wendela sive semaswati. Lokuningi emaswati la kuphola angakubhadaleli. Mhlambe nje kutawufuna ukuthi singihulumende sesike sinike isikhathi siwatshele emaswati ukuthi yini uhulumende la endaba. ngoba mhlambe asikuveti kakhulu lo la ku COVID-19 nje imali lecithiwe ngihulumende netinhlangano letahlukene kwendelwe emaswati sifaka ema-boreholes silungisa ema-boreholes lonke lelive la kaNgwane kuze kuthi bantu batokhona kuba nemanti lahlobile bakhone nekulandzela lemigomo bekunene bantu basitiwe ngekudla banikwa kudla bekunene labo labakhonile kusitakala nalaba bebaya etibhedlela baya eStegi Referral Hospital bekunene na ufika le ulashwa mahala uhlala mahala udla mahala na ufika le labaningi abakwati lokho bekunene ngisho lokho ngoba ngeke ngakhuluma nalabanye lamanye mava bathi akwendeki lento le kuyabhadalwa le lo munye nje bekangitshela dokotela udokotela wanaba lababuke thiwa ama internal organ dokotela usebenza lapha egovernment hospital angitshela ngana into leseyanza lebe ingekho phambilini leye kugeza inso kubantu uthi sekwanzile kakhulu la kaNgwane angitshela ukuthi lapha hulumende usawasite emaswati cishe mahala kunemaswati nje lahamba ayogeza inso onke malanga asitwa ngihulumende angitshela ukuthi kulamanye mave akukho lo uyabhadala hulumende uinvestile uspenda imali emshinini uyakhona nje kwenda eRFM kaManzini uyakhona kwenda eMbabane uyakhona kwenda kaHlatsi sifiso sethu ukuthi tonke letibhedlela letikhulu la kaNgwane ukhone ukuthi nawe uyakhona ukhona kusitakala sekuyanza lokhu bekunene bathi kwanziswa ukuthi kwanza umkhuhlane wawo kugula kwe high blood pressure nashukela letifo letimbili lesetikhula kakhulu bekunene ngitwe lesetibanga tilimata letinso ngiko nje bantu baba ningangaka sebadzinga ke lemishini ukuthi bahambe bayo kuthiwa yini kodwa kuyodala ngesingisi dialysis lokugeza letinso nami ngimangele ukuthi sebaningi kangaka abantu lesebadzinga lolusito lolu kaNgwane ngoba akusinto lebeyikhona iyanze kakhulu phambilini konke lokhu emaswati akhona kusitakala kuhulumende bekunene ngithi anguvete lokhu ngoba ngalesinye isikhathi uma ungabatsheli bantu bayibangadi bacabanga nje ukuthi awukude uhulumende lasendela kona bekunene ikakhulu kuleti tempilo vele uhulumende wembube utimisele kungeda bonus utimisele kuthi netibhedlela nema-clinics bani abafika khona bathola ulusito sitimisele vele ukuthi sifuna ukuthi lama-ratings elive laphathelene netempilo nakubukwa umhlaba wonke live la kaNgwane libukeke lisezingeni lelisetulu siyakholwa ukuthi ngekubambisana nesive kubambisana nabo bonke labasebenza kweVenista ukhona bekunene ufika kulesigaba lesi sekwekuthi nathi sesiya nje ku-2022 vision 2022 usho lokho bekunene ukuthi tempilo lizinga letempilo funa libe setulu ngeke uthi u-2022 bantu basasokola nangabe bagula nekuthola lisito nje kutempilo bekunene kube likhuni ufuna ukuthi kube lula kube dutane uphindze kube kungabaduleli bantu usitakala ngetempilo donato letinto uhulumende wembube latisebentako kunene. It gives me great pleasure to join you here this morning for this launch, which once again signifies our desire to look beyond the current predicament we are facing. Indeed, it has been 7 months since COVID-19 besieged our country and the entire world and altered life as we know it. While no one and nothing could have prepared us for this calamity, we can look back with pride at the unity and determination that has characterized our gallant fight as a nation against this stubborn enemy up to this far. While we are still not yet out of the woods, we carry with ourselves the knowledge that working in unity as eMaswati is within us to withstand attacks even from vicious enemies such as COVID-19. It is based on this premise that we are joined here this morning to launch the Umgcini Behavioral Change National Campaign. This is a campaign whose clear call is for unity, solidarity, and togetherness from all eMaswati. This is also a campaign that reminds us that while we are still well within this COVID-19 battle, there is light at the end of the tunnel, but we will only get closer to that light if we work together. Most importantly, this is a campaign that puts emphasis on everything, starting with individuals, starting with you. As we have been told countless times by the health experts, my well-being starts with me. The Umgcini Behavioral Change National Campaign calls on each Liswati to take good care of themselves, and by so doing, we will be taking care of those next to us and ultimately the nation as a whole. By being my people's keeper, one becomes exemplary, and this characteristic will filter all the way down, permeating the very fabric of our society. As we begin navigating the waters of this new normal, it is crucial that we do so with the full commitment of taking care of not just ourselves, but also of those around us. This begins with simple but important habits, including washing hands regularly, wearing our mask, and watching our distance, as well as avoiding crowded spaces, congested areas, and close contacts. Collectively, when we do this, we will not just be taking care of ourselves, but we will also be taking care of our parents, our grandparents, our partners, our brothers and sisters, our colleagues, all which underlines the essence of the campaign we are launching here today. The campaign is a call for all eMaswati to stand up and actively fight COVID-19. While we cannot all be frontline health workers, all of us can definitely be agents of change and envoys of good health behavior. By working collectively towards being our keeper's brother, we will ensure eMaswati's smooth passage into this new normal that awaits us. A new normal that requires of us to be extremely conscious of our health habits and how this can affect us and our loved ones. And while COVID-19 undoubtedly took us by surprise, it has also taught us that we are a resilient people, and when we bring our resilience together, we can and we will beat COVID-19. The Umgcini Behavioral Change National Campaign once more signifies His Majesty's government and eMaswati's commitment to looking beyond COVID-19. Just as this campaign urges us to work towards transitioning into this new normal, it comes it comes at the backdrop of the post-COVID-19 economic recovery plan launched by government in August this year, which outlines plans to revive the economy in the midst and after the COVID-19 storm. Like the Umgcini campaign, the recovery plan is centered around engagement and involvement, and both these underline government's commitment towards creating a futuristic Eswatini whose foundations are on collaboration, just as the economic recovery plan cannot be achieved without the full involvement of all stakeholders, chief being the private sector. The Mgcini campaign is similarly dependent on its chief stakeholders, that being every Liswati, for it to be a success. As I conclude, may I once again emphasize that even though numbers may seem to be going down at the moment, we have not yet won the battle. Therefore, it is my responsibility and yours to do the best that we can to ensure that we do not perpetuate the disease further by acting irresponsibly individually. His Majesty's government remains committed to ensuring the health and safety of every Liswati and everyone living in the beautiful kingdom of Eswatini. It now gives me pleasure on behalf of His Majesty's government to declare the Mgcini Behavioral Change Campaign officially launched. Siyabonga. Thank you. May God bless you.